Okay, so when we add those up, I'm going to type it in the calculator. It's going to be 67 plus 45.3 plus 32 plus 45.3 plus 58.2 plus 58.2 plus 65.1 is 371.1. So this is going to equal 371.1. And then we add all up the values for the mean, and then we divide by how many values there are. So we see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. So to find our mean, we're going to take 371.1 and divide by 7, because that's how many values there are. So we're going to divide it by 7. Gives us our mean. Oh no, that's not right. So something wrong happened. So we have 371.1 divided by 7 is going to equal 53.014286, which is a long number, but I'm not going to round for this one because it's not that long. 53.014286 is going to be our mean. So that's our mean. Easy, y'all remember how to do that, right? Okay, let's look at the next measure that we're going to talk about, which is the median. The median, remember, means the what? Middle. Very nice. The middle number. So we're going to find the median. The first thing we've got to do in order to find the middle number is we have to put them in order from least to greatest. So which one of these is the smallest? 32. So 32 is going to be my first number. The next smallest value is 45.3, which shows up 2 times. The next smallest number is 58.2, which also shows up 2 times. Then we have 65.1 and 67. So I put them in order from least to greatest. That's the first thing we do when we're finding the median. It's also the first thing we do when we're finding the mode. So this will help us for the next one and the range. So we already have it done for all 3 of them. So to find the median, we've got to cross them out from smallest to biggest till we get to the center. So I'm going to cross out 32 with 67, 45.3 with 65.1, 45.3 with 58.2, which leaves our median being 58.2. So remember, if there were 2 numbers left in the middle, the way that we would find the median is we would add those 2 together and divide by 2. We'd find the mean of those 2. But this one only had 1 number left in the middle, so our median is 58.2, 58 and 2/10. Easy, 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 just like last year. Okay, our next measure central tendency is the mode. And we know the mode, since it starts with mo, means which one shows up the most. So I'm just going to take these values, and we're going to use this to find the mode. So since the mode means which one shows up the most, we're looking for whichever one shows up more than once. So this one only shows up once, so that's not the mode. This one shows up 2 times, that might be it. This one also shows up 2 times. This one only shows up once, and this one only shows up once. So for this one, we have 2 modes, because they both showed up 2 times. If one of these had shown up 3 times, then that one would just be the mode, not both of them. But on this set of values, we have 2 modes, 45.3 and 58.2. And then our last thing that we're talking about is the range. So let's write that down, range, and we're going to use these values again. And to find the range, that's the distance, how far I ran. So I'm going to take my smallest value, 32, my biggest value, 67, and do 67 minus 32. That's 7 minus 2 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, so my range is 35.